Once Memorial Day hits, we try to cook on our outdoor grill as much as possible. To help kick off grilling season, I'm excited to share a delicious and easy new recipe featuring premium Atlantic salmon from this video's sponsor, Mowi Salmon. This cedar plank lemon-dill salmon recipe calls for Mowi Atlantic salmon portion on cedar plank. This 12-ounce portion of fresh, never frozen Atlantic salmon comes with a pre-soaked cedar plank of Western red cedar. It adds a woodsy, smoky flavor that really complements the grilled salmon. And the fact that it's pre-soaked saves you time and the guesswork from having to prepare the cedar plank yourself. Mowi's skin pack packaging adheres tightly to the salmon, sealing it to enhance the quality and freshness, and it's easy to remove with a knife. I'm going to show you how to make this recipe on the grill since the cedar plank is ideal for grilling. That being said, the salmon packaging also includes instructions for how to bake it in the oven in case you don't have access to a grill or in case you want to make this outside of grilling season. Given the ease of the included ready-to-cook cedar plank, this recipe's whole theme is ease and simplicity. In a bowl, mix melted butter, freshly squeezed lemon juice, chopped parsley, chopped dill, garlic powder, and freshly cracked salt and pepper. Prepare a few extra slices of lemon. I'm going to baste the salmon with this buttery lemon dill sauce while it's on the grill, both before and during the cooking time. Now that our ingredients are prepped, let's fire up the grill. Heat your grill to a medium-high temperature, and when it's ready, place the salmon with the cedar plank directly on the grill. Baste generously with the lemon dill sauce and top with a few lemon slices to infuse more of that great lemon flavor, and close the grill cover. Baste the salmon occasionally and continue to cook on the grill until cooked through. The cedar plank lemon dill salmon is done. It's time to serve up. I can't wait to give this a try. Lemony, buttery, with a subtle smoky flavor. So delicious. Mowi salmon is my favorite salmon. Not only is the flavor exceptional, it's also an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium and vitamin B12, plus omega-3 fatty acids. In addition to the cedar plank variety, Mowi offers several different pre-portioned and ready-to-cook package sizes of farm-raised Atlantic salmon, including pre-seasoned options. Find Mowi salmon products on Amazon and Instacart. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to our channel. I'd love to know what you think when you try it, so be sure to let us know in the comments.